A Trident missile is dramatically misfired and crashed into the ocean just yards away from the Royal Navy submarine that fired it. HMS Vanguard was taking part in planned tests off the coast of America last month. We understand that the Trident II D5 missile, which was unarmed, was not carrying nuclear warheads, blasted out of the submarine as planned, but its first stage rocket boosters failed to ignite, and the 58-ton missile crashed back into the ocean just yards away from HMS Vanguard and sank. Now, at the time, Defence Secretary Grant Shapps and the First Sea Lord Admiral Sir Ben Key were both on board HMS Vanguard to witness the landmark launch.